Most homeowners miss this until it causes damage. If you've ever had ants showing up, felt a draft you couldn't track down, or wondered how something got inside your house, it usually comes down to one thing: a small opening that was never sealed properly. And those same openings can also let water in, causing damage behind your walls that you won't notice until it gets expensive. So let me show you a simple way to fix that the right way. Right here. This fixes it. Most homeowners either don't know about this, or they might have used it but didn't realize they're using it the wrong way. But here's the part most people don't realize. The manufacturer actually says you're not supposed to use this outside, and yet that's exactly where most people use it. So I'm going to show you how to use this the right way and how to make it last without it breaking down over time. So let's get started. This is Duct Seal. It's a soft clay-like putty that never hardens, and it comes in two sizes. This 1 pound size, which is normally enough to deal with most areas, but you can also get this, the 5 pound size. That's a lot of Duct Seal. It stays flexible, it sticks to almost anything, and creates an airtight, moisture-resistant seal. Now, this is what electricians use around service entries and what HVAC techs use around refrigerant lines and duct penetrations. And unlike spray foam, this doesn't expand, it doesn't make a mess, and you can adjust it anytime. It will also do a better job than just trying to put silicone around an opening to seal it. Just look at this mess. Duct Seal is non-corrosive, it's safe on metal, plastic, and rubber, and if you ever need to remove it, it comes right off. Now, here's why most homeowners don't use it. It's usually hidden in the electrical aisle at the hardware stores, not with the caulk or paint, so most people never see it. But here's something important to know about it. If someone's selling their house and they have Duct Seal used on the exterior of the house around pipes or wires, you could fail a home inspection. But I'll show you at the end what we've done to Duct Seal so you're able to pass the inspection and it won't fail on you. The first thing I like to do is spray a little insecticide in the opening. There's several good insecticides in the market. This one works good for any insects I have around my house. Even if you don't see any insects now, they might be inside. So any type of opening, depending on the size, can allow insects, rodents, or moisture to enter your home. If you skip this, you're sealing bugs inside and giving them a place to live. If it's a larger hole, I will also pack it with copper-coated steel wool. Now, not regular steel wool because it'll rust and break down. Copper holds up and rodents don't like to chew through it. To keep it in place, just push it in the Duct Seal a little bit. Now we're going to seal the gap. What I do is just tear off a piece of the Duct Seal and work it with your fingers to get it more pliable. Then I'll put it in the hole or the opening and smooth it down, making sure the entire opening is closed off. Now if you're putting it around a pipe or a water spigot, then roll it between your hands or on something hard like this. And it depends on the size of the opening, how thick you make it. Then just wrap it around the pipe and begin to form it. And work it in tight. And shape it so it slopes away from the house at an angle. That slope matters because when water hits this area, you don't want it sitting there or working its way inside. You want it to run off and away from the house. You can even take a little water and use that to smooth it out if you're the perfectionist type. Now here's the part most people don't know. Since Duct Seal by itself is not meant for long-term exposure to UV light outside, sunlight and weather can eventually dry it out, and over time it can crack or fail. That's why you want to take one more step, and that step is to apply silicone over the top. You can use clear or you can match the color, black for black pipes, white for the siding. You can also paint it to match. It will accept paint. Just paint it before you apply the silicone. This protects it from the UV rays, it seals it from the elements, and makes it last for years. Now there's one thing to keep in mind. If you're selling your home, this can come up during an inspection. Some inspectors may flag Duct Seal used outside, and it could affect insurance or financing. So adding that silicone layer not only protects it, it also helps it look like a proper, finished, professional repair. Now here's something simple that can save you a lot of trouble. In the spring, summer, or the fall, take a walk around your house. and look for gaps, cracks, or openings, because that's where bugs get in and that's where water can slowly work its way in and cause damage you don't see right away. And if you've got branches or bushes touching your house, trim them back. That's a ladder for insects to get up and start looking for a way inside. So tell me in the comments if you've ever used DuctSeal. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps support the channel. Check the description below for links to products I use or recommend. And if you're watching on a TV, just scan the QR code right here. It'll take you right to my Amazon storefront and just click on the category that says as seen in my videos. And it'll show all the tools that I use or recommend in my videos. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll put a link up here in the corner. It might be just the video you need for the project you're working on or getting ready to work on. And don't forget to share the videos so they can help others save time and money doing home repairs yourself. Well, thanks for watching. You take care and God bless.